Ladies, I'm going to teach you something. My name is Flora, aka Floxy Florendo. Don't take back your ex. What is gone is gone. You can do without a man. You don't need a man. You can survive without. A man does not define who you are. A man does not say who you are. It's Chukwudi. Hello, Chukwudi. This is Flora. What happened?
Obim, my love, my heart. I'm sorry now.
Why didn't you apologize yesterday now?
Welcome to the house, my love. Come. Let me give you some sugar.
I'm coming. In life, you have to take some decisions sometimes. Like this one, Choco, this. It's okay, I'm talking too much. Let me just go and get ready. Let me just go. It's like this motivational speaker is not for me. Oh, let me go.